Hello. Today we will be talking about the differences between popular and scholarly sources. Depending on your class, your professor might ask you to use popular, scholarly, or a combination of both sources when working on research projects. But what are the differences between these two types of sources? The term popular source does not refer to how many times a source has been used. For a source to be considered popular, it usually means that it is a general interest publication, such as a newspaper or magazine. Popular sources are readily available and can be read quickly. They are often written to inform, persuade, or entertain the public, so they will use more accessible language and be written for all types of readers. Popular sources are usually written by journalists or freelance writers who might not be specialists in the topics they are writing about. These sources are rarely peer-reviewed and usually don't include references at the end of the piece. If references are used in popular sources, they are most often used indirectly, such as, recent studies have shown. On the other hand, scholarly sources are written by experts in the field, such as researchers or professors who are affiliated with an academic or research institution. These sources often discuss or analyze original research, so they contain discipline-specific terminology and often use technical jargon. The intended audience for scholarly materials is often other researchers and scholars, such as yourself, and will be connected to other scholarly works in the same field. They will also have citations included and mentioned frequently. Scholarly sources are, most of the time, found in specialized publications, such as scholarly journals and academic books. They are usually peer-reviewed or evaluated by other experts in the same field. In short, popular sources are written by journalists or freelance writers, typically for general audiences, use accessible everyday language, rarely include citations, and not usually peer-reviewed. Whereas scholarly sources are written by experts, such as professors or researchers, written with a specific audience in mind, will contain technical jargon and discipline-specific vocabulary, cite and document resources used, and usually have gone through a peer-reviewing process. Both popular and scholarly sources can be useful in your research, but make sure to check with your professor to be sure that you are using the correct materials for your project. If you need more help determining what sources are popular or scholarly, or want more help with your research in general, stop by the Ask Here desk on the second floor of the library. We are here to help.